Hello, it's JeanetteJBeauty and welcome to my channel. I just trimmed my hair and I'm so happy because it was long overdue and I finally did it. Also, my hair, it just looks and feels so much healthier. Now let's get into this wash day. I'm going to do a pre-poo treatment and I'm making sure that I section my hair into fours because I have a lot of hair and I need to make sure that this treatment gets on all of it. After I have my 4 sections, I'm going to take this mister bottle filled with water only and mist it into this quadrant. I find that products penetrate better into my hair strands once I have applied a good amount of water to it, and especially when my hair is saturated in the shower. While I'm actually washing my hair, products just penetrate so deeper into my hair. Now for my pre-poo treatment, I will be using the Olaplex Hair Perfector, their number 3. This is amazing. I absolutely love this product. I know it is a little on the pricey side, but it has transformed my hair for the better. I have used this treatment at least, I would say like 15, 16 times. I love it that much and I have shown it here on my channel. I just know it is a little bit on the pricey side, so I don't always show it because, you know, I like variety and just showing you different products with different price ranges, but I would highly recommend to use the Olaplex number 3. This really gets the curls clumped together, it gets the curls popping, and helps to repair and strengthen the hair, and I definitely feel it. Even after the first time I used this treatment, I fell in love. My curls were popping, they were just so clumped together. I felt moisture being added, my hair was stronger, and I noticed when I did my wash and go after the first time I used it, my curls were really popping, like they were so much more defined, and I can attribute it to the Olaplex treatment. I'm telling you, this treatment is so good. I'm always raving about it. I'm consistently being asked about whether it's a good investment, and I would highly recommend to get it. All I'm doing, as you see here, is misting each subsection of hair in the quadrant with water and then applying a good amount of this treatment. For me, I find that I do have to use about 3/4 to a full bottle for me to be fully satisfied, so it is definitely an investment, but money well spent. Even if you do this treatment once a month or once every other month, you would definitely still reap the benefits. And now to rinse the treatment out, I did wait a few minutes before I did so with some lukewarm water. My hair feels a lot softer and I could tell that moisture was added. I rinsed this treatment out with lukewarm water and then I applied my shampoo from Uncle Funky's daughter. This is their Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser and I absolutely love it. It feels so good in my hair, very moisturizing. It is sulfate free and color safe. Also, it has great ingredients like comfrey, rosemary, kelp, willow bark, and marigold, and I just love the way it clumps my curls together. I definitely needed a good amount of moisture and you could really see how well my curls are clumping together. It's very gentle but still very effective, and I just love this rich lather. It feels so good in my hair. So after I worked it in all 4 sections, I'm gonna massage my scalp with the shampoo on it just to help get rid of the buildup, the excess oils, and any sweat on my hair and scalp. And I'm just gonna continue doing this for about a minute. I wanna make sure that the shampoos worked on both my scalp and my hair for healthy hair and scalp, and then I'm going to rinse the shampoo out with some lukewarm water. And I'm making sure that I do a diligent job in getting rid of the shampoo, because if you don't, you can have an irritated scalp afterwards. And after I rinse the shampoo out, here's how my hair looks and it feels amazing. I definitely have a great amount of moisture and my curls are clumping together. Side note, I still am wearing my makeup because I like to take it off while I'm taking my shower. Next is conditioner, and I'm using this one from Pure Zero. It is their coconut milk moisturizing conditioner, and I absolutely love it, and accidentally got a little bit on the lens of the camera. So for the next, I'll say 30 seconds, the camera is a little bit blurry. I just love working this conditioner down the length of my hair. It is one of my favorite conditioners because it is affordable. This is only $7, and it really clumps my curls together. It gives me that great moisture that my hair loves and needs, and it does have coconut milk in it, which works great in my hair. Also, to help further work the conditioner in my hair strand, I do comb it with a wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to twist my hair and wrap it around, clip it up, just to make sure that my hair stays nice and moisturized while I have the conditioner in it. And fast forward to the front section, I'm going to do the same exact process, really making sure that I work the conditioner in very well. And the front section of my hair is low porosity, which means it takes a little bit more effort to get that moisture in my hair and keep it in. So I love to choose great products that work for my hair, and you could see my curls are just popping and clumping together, which is a great sign that moisture is being added. After I've applied the conditioner to all 4 sections, I'm going to apply my mask, and this is from Ouidad. This is their Curl Recovery Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask, and oh my gosh, let me tell you, this is one of my favorite, like my top 3 favorite deep conditioners, because it really gets my curls clumped together. It gets them popping. This is definitely a deep repair mask. And another reason why I love this mask so much is because you only need a little bit for it to be very effective. So I'm just going to take that amount and work it on the whole quadrant. And you could see gradually how my curls clump together. They just transform and definitely get that moisture, that repair, everything that it needs. I'm telling you, this mask is the truth. I'm gonna keep working that mask in from roots to tips and just really making sure that I feel my hair clumping together. That's a sure sign that you know a product is working for you. If you feel that you're just applying product on top of your hair and it just sits on top, but it's not really penetrating, then perhaps that product is not for you. But I love when I could really feel my curls clump together. My hair feels very soft, nice, moisturized, and it is being repaired. That's how I know that products are really working for me. And because I have received many more subscribers, I'm going to let you know that I love to apply my products in sections, from wash day and styling my hair, even shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner. So I love to apply the deep conditioner in sections and just let it sit in my hair while I work on the other 3 sections of hair. I come back and then I rinse. And you could already see it has made a difference. And when you choose good products that work in your hair, all of them will work in sync and just make the next step a lot easier. Even this mask, it really penetrates into my hair so much better. Even with my last step, the mask or deep conditioner, I've noticed that when I choose really good products, especially moisturizing products, it really penetrates a lot better in my hair and works more effectively. And right here, I'm just rinsing out the conditioner, and you could already see how my curls are clumping together. Just leaving it on really helps solidify that moisture in my hair. Next, I'm applying the mask, and you could see, just look how well this mask is just penetrating into my hair strands, and my curls are clumping together. This mask, it has a very different consistency than any other of my masks or deep conditioners, but it still gets my curls popping, repaired, moisturized, and my hair just feels so much better. Even for my next style that I did after this wash day, I could see that my curls were clumping very good. After I've applied my mask to all of my hair, I just let it sit for 10 minutes while I took my shower. And here's how my hair looks after I let this mask sit in for 10 minutes, and you can see how much more my curls are popping. I rinse the mask out with cold water because it helps to close the hair cuticle and the pores. Also, it helps to add luster and shine to the hair, which is definitely appreciated. I'm making sure to rinse the mask out thoroughly so that there's no residue from the products. And here's how my hair looks after I have rinsed everything out. And my hair, it just feels so good. It's very moisturized, very hydrated, soft, repaired. My curls are clumping together. I just love the overall look that my hair has and how it looks so healthy, and it definitely feels amazing. And the last step would be to put a cotton t-shirt on the hair just to help soak up any excess water, not moisture in the hair, and also to prevent frizz. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one.